If you're shopping around for the best PC controllers for gaming, you're honestly spoiled for choice at the moment. There's now a plethora of brilliant pro gamepads on the market that will give you all the functionality you could want, including back buttons and software to help you customize every tiny detail of how they work. If you just want something simple and comfortable for those chilled out games you want to kick back with, we found the best options for you as well. The best PC controller for gaming doesn't need to be a typical gamepad. For majority of my FPS gaming on PC, I use an ergonomic keypad that gives me the thumbstick movement from a traditional controller, but the speed and functionality of a keyboard, which goes to show how versatile PC controllers can be these days. Then, for more relaxed third-person games, I'll probably use one of the best PS5 controllers or one of the best Xbox Series X controllers. Today's pro controllers pack a whole host of customization features, including extra mappable paddles, and even the ability to swap out whole components thanks to modular designs. Along with your purchase, you'll usually get conclusive software that lets you control the essential parts of your gamepad, with some letting you set custom dead zones for the analog sticks. In short, there's so many ways to stay competitive if you prefer playing with a controller. So let's dive into the options that I'd recommend in 2024. Victrix Pro BFG, the best overall. With excellent customization options and a competitive price point, the Victrix Pro BFG is the gamepad to beat right now. Its new Xbox version may even be an improvement. GameSir T4 Caliad, the best budget. If you're working with a smaller budget, the T4 Caliad offers fantastic value in its Hall effect thumbsticks, extra back buttons, and responsive performance. Azeron Cyborg, the best keyboard alternative. If you want the functionality of a keyboard combined with the thumbstick movement of a controller, the Azeron Cyborg is the ultimate way to play games. Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra, best for game feel. The Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra has some amazing feedback for a gamepad without haptic feedback. Its microswitch buttons go a long way too. Easy SMX X10, the best value. The Easy SMX X10 screams value with its microswitch buttons, magnetic faceplates, Hall sensor thumbsticks, ergonomic back buttons, and snappy feel. Nakin Revolution 5 Pro, best for longevity. Hall sensor sticks that are immune to stick drift make this the best gamepad if you want something long-lasting. It's great for esports and multiplayer too. Xbox Wireless Controller, the best for most. It's a classic, but it stood the test of time. The Xbox Wireless Controller packs a flexible feature set while also offering an improved overall feel. Xbox Elite Series 2, the best for Xbox fans. The Elite Series 2 has reigned supreme in the premium PC controller space for a while now, but it still impresses today with its customization options and flexibility. DualSense Edge, the best for PS5 fans. If you're after something that will remind you of younger days on PlayStation consoles, the DualSense Edge packs in an excellent feature set and has a nice customization too.